Severe climate changes can lead to widespread species extinction as the consequences of an asteroid impact ripple through the planet, forever altering. Asteroid collisions have played a significant role in shaping Earth's history, influencing its geology, climate, and even the evolution of life. While most asteroids remain in stable orbits, some have the potential to collide with Earth, causing effects that range from minor atmospheric explosions to global catastrophes. Historical impacts. One of the most well-known asteroid impacts is the Chicxulub event, which occurred 66 million years ago. A 10-15 kilometer-wide asteroid struck the Yucatán Peninsula, triggering massive wildfires, tsunamis, and an impact winter due to dust and sulfur blocking sunlight. This event led to the extinction of 75% of Earth's species, including the dinosaurs. Other notable impacts include the Barringer crater in Arizona and the Tunguska event in 1908, which flattened thousands of square kilometers of forest despite leaving no crater. The severity of an asteroid impact depends on its size, speed, and entry angle. A large impact releases enormous energy, generating shockwaves capable of flattening cities and igniting fires. If an asteroid hits an ocean, it can create massive tsunamis, devastating coastal regions. The impact force can trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, causing further destruction. A large impact can throw dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and leading to an impact winter, disrupting ecosystems and food chains. Severe climate changes can lead to widespread species extinction, as seen in the Chicxulub event. The consequences of an asteroid impact ripple through the planet, forever altering its landscape and ecosystems. As humanity learns from past events, scientists work tirelessly to understand asteroid threats and develop strategies for potential prevention. With innovation and collaboration, humanity strives to protect the planet from potential asteroid impacts, aiming for a safer future. As threats loom, communities unite and educate themselves, fostering resilience and preparedness against cosmic events. Amid uncertainty, the beauty of our planet inspires a collective commitment to safeguard its future. In response to threats, leaders advocate for planetary defense initiatives, channeling resources into research and education. Global cooperation emerges as nations recognize the shared responsibility in safeguarding Earth from cosmic dangers. As innovative missions launch into space, humanity takes bold steps in actively preventing potential asteroid impacts. Public awareness grows, emphasizing the significance of vigilance and education in mitigating asteroid threats. With cutting-edge technology, astronomers tirelessly scan the skies, looking out for potential dangers that may threaten our planet. Success in asteroid deflection efforts marks a significant achievement in planetary defense, highlighting human ingenuity and resilience. The triumph of planetary defense inspires hope, fostering a new generation eager to explore and protect our universe. Reflecting on history, humanity honors the lessons learned from past threats, nurturing a commitment to safeguarding future generations. As society evolves, innovative technologies pave the way for a hopeful future, ensuring preparedness against cosmic dangers while promoting sustainability.